I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do a lot of cleaning in the house. I've been really busy in placements and other stuff, and this is one of the days that I got to rest, and I'm so happy they've given me this off day. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. So I left a lot of mess on my working surface. I was in the kitchen top because yesterday I was tired when I arrived very late, about 9 something or almost 9 o'clock yesterday, and so I just left some of the things and went to bed. I'm like, oh god, I don't have to do it that night anyway. So I have quite a lot of mess there to wash some dishes and stuff which are in the dish like drain or so. So I'm going to empty those, clean the whole kitchen, and put the whole place in order. Also, I'm going to take you around the kitchen so that you can see the mess that I have around. And I'll also share with you how I maintain my kitchen to always look good and clean, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. To start with showing you around the kitchen, this side is where my bin is when you're going out to the back door. That's the side. And then when you look on the surface here, I've put my lunch bag I placed there when I got back really tired. I even left my water bottle there. So this is how the surface look. Quite a lot of mess.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling.
I don't often do this, like pack my dirty dishes down and like wash another day. No, I was just so tired. I mean, when I came back from work, I felt like, you know, when you have been beaten and all your muscles are so much painful and just so like you don't want to do anything. That's how I felt. And so I decided to just leave everything down and then, you know, wash it the next day. And thankfully there is some that has already been washed, that is already in the drainer. So I will just empty those two when I finish. These are the ones that I sent to work, so which is like, that's why it's not that much of it. So just cleaning them well, and then make sure it's all like, you know, this one I'm holding is like I've been using it always and always. So this palm oils that I put into it has like become a stain inside the bowl, which is never going off. And this is like a cup that they use for tea, always also turn like some kind of like tanning inside. So at the end of the day, what I do sometimes is I use that hard wire to wash the inside of that cup, because it's really difficult to get that tanning from tea out of it. It's so much difficult. I don't really drink tea that much, is for my partner. So anyway, so just finish washing those. Just going to clean them all off, like rinse them all up and just put them in the drainer. It would be really handy to have one of those kind of little shower type of you know, handle that you connect to the mouth of the tap, where you can just hold it around and pull it along anywhere you want the water to go to, and with like a sprayer. Yeah, that's like, that would be really really good for this, because that tap I have there is very tiny and really short. So anyway, this is my cutleries where I put them. I just put in the first drawer, just right side of the cooker. It's really handy for me because anytime I open them, I grab whatever I need, knives, spoons, whatever I need, I just grab it quickly. And this dish drainer that I'm cleaning now, it's like it just really gets really dirty often. I don't know, it takes less than 3 days for it to get dirty. And like so much lime scales, I hate lime scales so much. They've been building up in this kitchen more than even my previous house. I don't know what is wrong with the water. If whatever they put into the water is just too much of lime scales that build around. And you know, saving water. I don't have a dishwasher, so I do all my dishes by my hands. Where I come from in Ghana, we don't have dishwashers. You wash with your hands, and so you just make sure you clean the plates properly and all that. After washing the dishes, you rinse with clean water and just dry them. So this is my zinc. If you can see, it has quite a lot of dirt and lime scales. I don't know if it is the water that we have in the UK. Anytime that you use the zinc or the bathroom less than 1 week, you see that lime scales will be building, even if you clean it every time that you use. So all I'm going to do is clean this surface, wash it properly. If you can see, so much dry lime scales all there. I have baking powder here. I'm going to spread on the surface of the zinc before I wash. Anytime I use this thing to wash the surface, I realize it becomes very clean and shiny. I came across this baking soda trick on the internet, and it has saved me a lot. The pink stuff washing liquid. This one is for laundry, but sometimes I use it because of the nice smell it has. have another surface cleaning stuff here. This is from B&M. It's a set of it. One is for the bathroom and one is for the kitchen. The main reason why I like this is that it has a very nice smell. So I'm going to leave that aside. That's what I'm going to use to finish up the cleaning. So now let's start with the zinc washing. I'm going to close the hole that is down here. A little bit of water. This is the point where the baking soda shows its work, where it shines the surface of the zinc. What I'm washing, it's made of aluminium, I think, and so it's really easy to just wash using only the baking soda and sponge. No stress at all. My zinc doesn't have one of those sprayer where I can just hold the mouth and be spraying all around, so I'm just going to manage this handle. I'm going to hold this handle and the water will come all the way here. That's how I clean mine. This cloth has some kind of a foam inside which absorbs a lot of water. That is really good to wipe around. I'm sure no one likes to work with a dirty like kitchen surface, especially when you end up cutting stuffs, and some people just mistakenly end up like cutting onions and the simple things on the top of the unit without even using your chopping board and all that. This is some of the reasons why you should always clean the surfaces of your working top, because you can just end up cutting things on it and you put dirt into the food and all that. Anyway, I'm just sometimes really obsessed with cleaning. You see the difference? This is so sparkly, all look clean. This is the side that we're having all those lime scales. Can you see how shiny they are? Even the zinc here is reflecting there. So I'm done using this one. I'm going to stuck it in. I'm done using my sponge. I'm just going to stuck that one in there. I like the nice smell of this B&M surface cleaner. It's just so nice. It makes the whole kitchen smells really good when you enter, like as if you feel some kind of perfume on the surface. So this is where I put the dishwasher soap and then the hand washing soap. I just stuck them in there and then place them there. Giving a quick wash to that one too. Those are some of the little things that we forget to wash in the kitchen. So there we are. I put this here and I put this here, and that is it. I'll leave them there. That's where they go. It's always handy for me to know that my soap, my sponge and everything is just right there when I need it. I just grab it and just use it to wash things that I want and all that. So finish with that. Those plates are drying in the drainer. I'm just going to clean the surface, the whole surface of the kitchen and all the things that are on top of it, like the toaster, the kettles and all that. I'm just going to cut it really short because it's getting like a bit long, and this is one of the most like surfaces I clean a lot in the kitchen, this cooker, and it keeps like it's always looking like as if it's new. It's because I always clean it. One thing is when you cook and you have oil splashes, oil on these surfaces, and you don't clean them, they become a bit greasy with time. Let's say you leave it for a week and you don't clean it properly, and then the next week you leave it, the next time you try to clean it, it will become very thick, like a glue. It will be turning something like that. That is the oil that is trying to form some kind of like solidify. So I hate that a lot. I make sure anytime I finish cooking, I don't do a thorough cleaning. I just like use spray and like wiping like napkins and stuff to just clean the surface well, or clean all the oils off and all the handles of my units and all that, just to keep it clean. I do this like big cleaning like once in a week or so. I don't do it every day. It's just like once in a week or so when I'm free. That's when I do all these ones. It's not like a regular cleaning so much for me. I clean the cooker always, like every day that I cook. I have to clean the top of it anyway because of the splashes of food and all the things. Anyway, this is the rubbish that I left to the side of the kitchen. Anytime we bring things from the shops, we put like empty bottles and cans and stuff at the right side there. You can see the bin outside, so it's really easy, handy for me to leave them there and then when I'm ready, I open and put them in the bin because of the cold. I hate the cold. Sometimes I just leave it there. Anyway, just cleaning the floor, just sweeping around. And now we go to the dining table. I've made a mess of it. After eating, I just left things like the placemat and things all spread around there, and I've not cleaned it in a while, so I have to clean that one too. And those little flowers there, let's admire them. Let's look at that. That is from Shane. They are so cute, they just make the autumn winter kind of vibe really cool. I just like how they look. You can also use them for the living rooms. I just did not want them too dark. This is just the perfect, I think, color that matches for the house. I don't want too much of dark things and the whole place will look really dark. No, so just cleaning the surfaces. This is how I keep my kitchen, my dining and everything, just clean and sparkly around. And I also make sure I clean the chairs because I use them often. We sit on them and we forget to clean them. These are good to clean because they're made of leather. As you can see, it's really easy to clean. Sometimes you eat and stains of food goes onto them, things you never even know. Sometimes that's a lot of things go onto it and then we forget to clean them all. So I just clean them all nicely. I don't do this chair cleanings often. And so we have finished cleaning the kitchen, and this is how the whole surface look. This is my kitchen surface. Like, I know it's not really organized, but I know everything is clean around. Everything is like sparkly. This is the cooker top. It's always like shining. And this is the corner where I have my toaster and my microwave and all the stuff. So this is me at the other end showing the whole kitchen now. So this is the flower, how it looks, guys. I hope you do like today's video, and thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. I know I haven't been that much active, and thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Merry Christmas.